Hello, everyone. My name is TJ, and welcome to the TJ Does Linux or TJ the Linux Guy channel. It's kind of both. We are going to be exploring Linux, exploring the different core utilities, the different command line options, going through a lot of the different tools that you can use. Um, there's going to be a series about the GNU core utils, the GNU core utilities that come with every Linux distribution that come in the Linux kernel, such as ls, such as cd to change directories, such as just the basic GNU core utils, such as time. If you wanted to time something, you can run time and it will tell you how long it takes, which is 0.006 seconds apparently. We're just going to be covering a lot of those during this series. We're going to be covering some fun Linux terminal tricks and tips and tricks, and we're going to cover we're going to do distro reviews. We're going to cover the Arch user repository and the way to use it correctly and how it all works. And we're going to cover Arch Linux. We're going to cover Debian. We're going to cover Ubuntu. We're going to cover Mint. We're going to cover, those are all basically Debian other than Arch. We're going to do, like I said, distro reviews. We're going to do oops, I can't type. We're going to have a lot of that too. Yeah, we're just going to have a lot of different Linux-based things on this channel. We're going to play with fancy text editors like Micro. We're going to cover cat, which will print the output of a file. We're going to go through man pages for all of these utilities. We're going to go through other stuff. We're going to just explore Linux and the many things it has to offer and the differences between it and, say, Windows. We're also going to cover the process of setting up, because this is something I want to do, and so I figure I'll record it and put it out. The process of setting up a dedicated Windows gaming virtual machine, complete with GPU pass-through. I'll be passing through my RX 6600 XT. And probably 8 of my 12 CPU threads dedicated for gaming. And, probably like 16 gigs of RAM. But dedicated for Windows gaming machine so that I can do my Windows gaming. So my goal is to move away from having Windows installed physically, to just be able to boot into Linux. And if I need to run a Windows game, I just boot into my Windows VM and it passes through my GPU and everything works. But I'm not natively running Windows on bare metal. Because as we all know, Microsoft's a terrible company and you should not support them. Yeah, so that's just kind of the introduction here. We're just going to be, like I said, exploring some of the fun little terminal tricks, going through the GNU core utils, covering all of their man pages and the different options for them and things like that. So plenty to look forward to. Hope you stick around. And it's just been a short intro video on the TJ Linux channel. My name's TJ, and we're here in Linux, so it makes sense. All right, until next time, I'll catch you later. Bye.